Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix email not receiving in iPhone 15. So guys, if you are facing a mail app issue that the emails are not receiving on your iPhone 15, so guys don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this email not receiving issue in iPhone 15. So guys, first of all you have to do is check the internet connection. Make sure your iPhone 15 is connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So guys, after this you have to do is check email account settings. Go to your settings, open your mail, tap on accounts, and check the incoming mail server settings. Ensure they are correct, including the server address, username, and password. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is restart mail app. Open your mail app and swipe up from the bottom of your screen to close it. Then reopen the mail app and see if it solves the issue or not. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iOS is up to date. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvement that can address issues like this. So you have to do is simply open your settings, tap on your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is like this, then simply update your iPhone to its latest version. After this and you're still facing the issue, then there may be will be email server status. So guys, you have to do is simply check your email server status. Sometimes the issue might be with the email server. Check with your email provider to see if there are any known issues or not. So if this also doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset your network settings. So guys, this will reset your Wi-Fi password and settings. Sometimes network related issues can affect email receptions. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.